Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I hope that you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIVS Home School. This is Mizanur, Rahman, Assistant Teacher of Islamic Studies of National University School, Day Shift, Monastir, Dhaka. Today, I would like to take an Islamic Studies class for the students of class 7. Our today's topic is Chapter 4, Lesson 2 Discussion. Today's topic is Chapter 4, Lesson 2 Discussion. Term Annual 2021. And today's lecture number 7, and I will give HW which number will be 7. Okay, dear students, let's come to the board and listen. Chapter 4, Lesson 2, Charity, which is called in Arabic Al-Ihsan. Okay, we need to help each other for our survival in this world. So we live in society. Charity is a very important quality of human being in society. Charity means giving help free to those who are in needed because they are ill, poor or homeless. Okay, dear students, it is the definition of charity. One definition of charity, charity means giving help free to those who are in needed because they are ill, poor or homeless. It is one definition of charity. And another definition of charity is the Arabic word for charity is ihsan, meaning to help others to do good deeds. It is what meaning. And according to Islamic terminology, in Islam, charity means to carry out the duties and responsibilities towards Allah's creation properly. It is known as charity in Islamic terminology. Okay. Then significance of charity. Charity is one of the main virtues of Almighty Allah. Allah is the most kind and merciful. His kindness and grace pervade all His creation. He has created human beings with variation of their qualities and abilities. As a result, they are dependent on each other. So they should help others as per their qualities and abilities. Okay, dear students, we know that charity is the very important qualities of human being. Allah the Almighty created a lot of people on this earth by the different kind of qualities. So every human beings depend on others, and every human being get help of others. So as a best creation of Almighty Allah, we have to help each other. It is known as charity. Okay, dear students, now we will start advantage of charity. There are 5 points included in your book about advantage of charity, but a lot of advantages of charity can be in the Islamic Sharia. There are more than 30 advantages of charity in Islamic Sharia, but only 5 points are included here. Number 1, attaining love of Allah. Allah loves those who help others. Allah the Almighty says in the Holy Quran, وَأَحْسِنُوا إِنَّ اللَّهَ يُحِبُّ الْمُحْسِنِينَ, meaning do good deeds. Indeed, Allah loves the good doers. Surah Al-Baqarah, verse number 195. Number 2, establishing peace and happiness in society. Charity helps to establish peace and happiness in society. You can help people by spending wealth or something, by saying only good words or ensure happiness for them. Consequently, strife and rivalry are removed from society. Number 3, enemies change into friends. It is the very important advantage of charity. Enemies change into friends. Charity can turn a deadly enemy into good friend. You can even with the heart of cruel man with your charity. Number 4, attaining grace of Allah. If anybody shows kindness to creature of Allah, Allah bestow grace on them. Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam says in this regard, irhamu man fil ardi yarhamukum man fis samai, meaning be kind to the dwellers of the earth, then gracious Allah, the Lord of the heaven, will show kindness to you. Jami Tirmizi. This is one hadith which is included in the Jami Tirmizi. And Jami Tirmizi is the one of the famous book from Siha Sitta. We know that there are 6 books known as Siha Sitta: Bukhari, Muslim, Tirmizi, Abu Dawud, Ibn Majah. This 6th book is known as Siha Sitta. From Siha Sitta, Jami Tirmizi is famous of them. Number 5, attaining love of human beings. You can achieve love of the people with your charity. Thus peace and happiness is established in the society. You can make a cruel man your well-wisher. A deadly enemy may turn into a friend. Social bond becomes stronger. We should always look after the creation and extend our happiness hands to people in need. Okay, dear students, it's enough to this lecture. And advantage of charity, we know that there are a lot of advantages of charity. Only 5 points are included here. By the advantage of charity, we make a peaceful society in this earth. If every person make charity to other people, ihsan to other people, then it will be peaceful society as like as heaven. So as a Muslim, as a best creation of Almighty Allah, Allah the Almighty said, Innal insana ashraful makhlukat. Verily, insan is the human being is the best creation of Almighty Allah. So, as a Muslim, as a best creation of Almighty Allah, we have must ihsan to other people. So, by this way, our society become peaceful and happiness society in this earth. Okay, dear students, now I want to give HW on the basis of today's lecture, and today's HW number is 7. And topic of HW, what do you mean by charity? Write advantages of charity. Okay, dear students, you have to write down HW from here. This is the definition of charity. One definition of charity from here to here, and another definition of charity is from here to here. Write down from here to here, and number 1 charity, definition of 1 and definition of 2 of charity. Then you have to write down the advantage of charity from here, but not write down word by word from your book. You have to write down from yourself and shortly. No need to a lot of long discussion. Write only shortly, and no need to write from your book word by word. You have to write and do your assigned HW from yourself, and submit your HW on every Saturday from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. Okay, dear students, I hope that you have understood this topic clearly. Keep practicing at home. Avoid your parents. Stay well. See you again inshallah with another topic. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.